Hi, welcome guys. This is Citro, and this is the brand identity and the scheduling video. So this area over here, that's to my left. This area space here is more of a working space, more of a enjoy myself space where I can play video games, design or something like that, watch TV if I want to on the computer, or I want to play games. It's more of a design, creativity, and more of a working space, all in all. And I usually use it for a lot of things, and I think this is an enjoyable spot that I think was incredibly made by my mother, but was choose to be creative space for me. I kind of added the more of the Coke bottles because of the aesthetic and more of history and past and current gen stuff that I think is incredible to place in this room. More of a Spanish bottle size, and it's incredible to look at. My bed here, which has my four incredible stuff in. This bed is made every day so that when you wake up, there is a one rule, and one for me is to make your bed every day, because that is one thing you can do to accomplish for the day, and there's more other things you need to accomplish for that day as well. So, and I do have a nice, incredible flag of Mexico, and I do have a sign of Hollywood. By this point, I guess you guys know, you guys seen the new poster. That is the newest kind of addition to, I guess, my new operation, paintbrush. That's the newest paintbrush operation. I'm calling this whole thing. To start out with is my brand identity. You guys already know. I'm gonna try to kind of squeeze it in. So it's more of a my motto is to creativity is the strength to all your positive choices. So pretty easy and simple. It's a long motto. It's more of a sentence motto. So it's more of a creativity is a motive to positive way of choice. I'll use my editing skills and try to find that motto through the editing and write it down so that I remember, and then I'll go off from that. So that's more of my motto and more of my motive to keep on going, and the motto for everybody to use their positive thinking and way of thinking to use it for creativity, and that's more of my motto. For my scheduling, it's more of I want to start this kind of ritual to do something on either Wednesday or Tuesday of every week. I'll probably be seeing something Tuesday or Wednesday. So it's more of a mix, Tuesday or Wednesday, where I'll have that one day where I will be making a video, general video of anything design related. Okay, thank you guys for joining in on this video. This is the first episode of my new series that I'm going to be starting. So it's more of a start on that. This is Citro, and you guys can like, comment, subscribe, and you can comment anything you want to say, including this, including me, or anything you guys want to say. Questions will be answered and answers will be given. So you guys can just leave that down below. I do have other things posted on Twitter, which will be coming out soon for the following other videos that will be coming either next week or the next week or after that. And I think this is it. I think this is about what I want to talk about, and I think that's about it. So thank you guys for joining in. As I say again, sorry about that. And you guys have a wonderful day. You guys stay strong, stay creative, and enjoy.